Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 4. Importance of loving and following the AhlulBayt. One hot summer day, the Prophet was traveling outside of Medina with a group of friends. Halfway through their journey, the Prophet noticed that someone was missing from the group.
Where's Abu Zar?
He asked. After looking back, they realized he was gone and decided to wait for him to catch up. Abu Zar had fallen behind the group because his camel was too hot and tired to carry him.
We need to find water,
said Abu Zar to his camel. After searching for a while, he found a small stream of pure cold water. He bent down and took a handful of water, but after taking a small sip, he dropped the water from his hands and filled his water pouch instead. Meanwhile, the rest of the group was still on the lookout. It had been 3 days since they last saw Abu Zar. Just as they started to get very worried, one man said excitedly,
"Look over there."
They could see someone walking toward them. The other men squinted their eyes to get a better view.
it's him.
Someone called out. Abu Zar was dragging himself. He was so thirsty that he was losing his balance. About to faint, seeing that Abu Zar was exhausted, the Prophet rushed toward him. The Prophet noticed that Abu Zar had a water pouch with him.
How come you have water with you, but you're still thirsty?
Abu Zar explained how he had found a stream of water.
But after taking a sip of water,
Said Abu Zar,
I just couldn't drink more without first sharing some with my beloved Prophet.
the Prophet looked at him with loving eyes and said,
May Allah have mercy on you.
If you love Allah, then follow me, the Prophet, and Allah will love you.
Whoever truly loves us, the AhlulBayt, will be with us in heaven.